severe thunderstorm warning for Cotton County in southwestern Oklahoma, southeastern Tillman County in southwestern Oklahoma, northwestern Clay County in northern Texas, central Wichita County in northern Texas, until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:34 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles northwest of Burke Burnett, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include northwestern Wichita Falls, Burke Burnett, Walters, Iowa Park, Electra, Gramfield, Renlet, DeVoe, Cookietown, Pleasant Valley, Taylor, Haynesville, and Cashin. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for southern Tillman County in southwestern Oklahoma, Wichita County in northern Texas, until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:56 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 9 miles north of Menkins, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tornado and golf ball-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat rotation. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include northwestern Wichita Falls, Burke Burnett, Iowa Park, and Electra. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter, safe room, or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The tornado warning for